Okay, hey everybody, we're back. We were working diligently through our commercial break. I'd say we're about halfway done with our pieces, or they are. I did an NDT one, but I am all done, so I'm going to do another one.
Oh, okay. Well, yours is a lot cuter than mine. I originally, no, it's cute. I originally was gonna do some jingle lights or something, but I accidentally grabbed too much green, and now we are making the Grinch.
Oh, yay!
Oh, cute. I like it.
You need some paint
So, our director says it looks like a cactus, but have faith in the process. It'll look like a Grinch soon, I think.
Absolutely. You know, and that's what a whole bunch of this is. So,
yeah.
But you know what? It's okay because
these are all about having fun, right?
Yes. John David, you're always reminding us that
well, it's not supposed to be perfect.
All art is supposed to be,
If it's perfect, it's not art.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yours is looking so good. Do you want to show the camera a little update?
I can. Here, let me get some of that white in there. Here we go. So, and so yeah, here we are. I'm starting to get a sort of snowman.
I love
put together. Oh, I just see on the monitor too, gangsta rapper. I was asked before I was on the show, kind of like, so are you going to be wrapping presents? Is that what you're here to do? Are you going to show people how to wrap presents? And I was like, I guess so. Wouldn't that be great if I had like a lazy Susan sort of thing and just treat it like a turntable sort of thing?
That would have been good.
Yeah, exactly. Next time, I guess.
Yeah, we'll do that next year.
Next year.
Okay.
Same place, same time.
What does the Grinch have a signature accessory of sorts? How can I make
a hat?
The Grinch? Yeah, the
Santa hat.
You know, the first thing I thought it was a heart, right? That's two sizes.
Yeah. Let me get some
Max,
red in here.
Right?
Max?
He's got Max the dog. You know, but that's more that you have
the
to paint.
Grinch's dog. I
Leave it
know.
to
I
an
don't know if
artist
I
to
have
start
room on
thinking
this canvas.
Exactly. Add this and add this and add this.
Yeah, I know.
Add everything.
Okay, I keep losing the brushes. Can you hand me some of those?
Yes. Here we go.
Need to give them some eyeballs now.
There we go. So yeah, this is acrylic paint, and so it's going to dry or cure, you know, rather quickly, which is really nice. And so you could probably put it on the tree, you know, or wherever it is you're going to hang it, you know, for whatever reason, you know, rather soon or rather quickly. And during the break, you would ask, kind of like, can I work on another project? I'm done with this one. Can I work on another one? Absolutely. You know, keep that momentum. You know, I guess allow that momentum to become inertia. You know, and just keep working and working and working.
I love that. And I also really enjoy these palettes that you brought.
Oh, yeah.
The paper, that's interesting. I'd never heard of that before.
Oh, yeah. So the palette paper?
Yes.
Is that what you mean? Yeah,
Paper.
and it's so quick in classes. You know, you can just tear it right out.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness.
Speaking of classes, you're always up to something. You're always teaching, getting involved in the community.
It's also suspicious. I'm always up to something.
You're always up to something.
It is. You
What?
really are.
Where else can people find you when they're not tuned into NDT?
Oh, yeah. So they can take a class with community education. You know, I work with them quite a bit. I'm on the advisory council for that. You know, so we make certain that people are kind of heard and worked with and whatnot. And so, yeah, I'm on social media at Really John David. You know, you can find me on there because I'm Really John David.
I didn't believe it at first, but
yes,
he's proven otherwise.
Yep. And so I'm utilizing a dry brush sort of technique here. There we go.
Dry brush? What's the
so I don't put a lot of paint on there, and so it adds this kind of texture, and you can blend that way.
Ooh.
You know, so it's considered a dry brush sort of technique. You just
stealing
took
some of your black
You just
paint.
took some of my paint.
I'm a thief,
Aren't
just
you
like the
supposed to
Grinch.
ask?
Just like the Grinch.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
should have asked. I'm sorry, John
Oh
David.
my goodness. Hey, don't should all over yourself.
There is no rules in arts, right?
Exactly.
I'm taking some more.
Yeah, do that.
Just a little.
There we go. So I'm mixing some green here, and I'm adding just a couple leaves.
Tatum, would you pass me a paintbrush?
All right.
There we go.
I can because I'm finally done, Sophia. And I'm naming my little cute Grinch after my beloved co-host, Sophia.
Oh.
Aw.
Wait, what?
Grinch. Grinchfia.
Grinchfia. Do you like it, Soph?
I do. It does kind of look like me. I like
Okay,
it.
well, while you two keep painting, or while Sophia keeps painting, John David, we're going to do something a little different today.
Okay.
And do you mind reading our quote of the day in just a second?
I don't know how to mind. I think that's a great idea.
Okay, fantastic. I want you to finish up that snowman
Yeah,
first.
it's almost done.
Show it off,
Yep.
and then we can read that.
Yep. There we go. And here's your presents.
Thank you,
start
thank
first.
you.
Go right
Do you want to
ahead.
go
Thank
ahead and
you.
read
Yes,
this?
Absolutely. If you're going to go, or if you're going, go all the way. If you're not going all the way, then why go at all?
Cute.
Ernest Hemingway.
I love it. We think that quote perfectly fits John David Berdahl. You do things all the way, just like the snowman.
Absolutely. You know? Yes.
Yeah.
I love it.
Certainly.
Okay, well, Merry early Christmas. Soph, do you want to open this really quick?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do that.
Fargo Theater tickets.
Yeah.
And of course, Oreos. Thank you, John David.
Bye guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yep, see ya. Suppose I could hang this on here.